Hello friends, once again a warm welcome from our channel Play with Coding. Coming to today's topic, this might be especially for girls. Well, I won't say that it can't be for boys. It is for the one who is photoholic. Yes, have you ever thought that your picture in black and white is much prettier than the one in color? If it is, then let's try this in a coding conceptual manner. Is it going to be tricky? Then my answer is of course not. Now let's know how we can check this out using Python programming. Getting into the topic, the basic requirement will be a Python compiler. To execute this program, you need a Python compiler installed in your laptop, or you can try it with the Anaconda Jupyter notebook. I will let you know the process of using a Jupyter notebook. This is my Jupyter notebook. You can see it on the screen. For a new project or a new file, just click the new button which is present at the top right corner and select the Python 3. I already prepared a file for this task with the name image conversion. Let's open it and start to code. Coming to its code, we have to install the Pil library in order to execute our code. We can do it using the command pip install pil. After doing that, we can check whether it's done perfectly or not by using import pil command. Import pil. Just run this cell by clicking the shift plus enter or the run command. So we can observe that we installed the pil command successfully. Then later on with the code, we import an image from the pil library and then give our image as an input. We have to pass the location of the image as an argument for the open function, that is image.open of image location. Now we need to convert into a black and white scenario by using the function convert. Openimage.convert of L. It converts the color image into black and white image. And I am displaying the image by using the function show. So the open image contains my original image. So I am going to display my original image and the converted image. The converted image is available at convert attribute. So convert.show and the open.show. I am going to run this cell. We can observe that there are two pics. The first one is the original image and the second image is a black and white image. In this way, we can convert our color image to black and white. Now I'm going to explain some more concepts like how we can find the size of our image and how we can apply some filters on the original image. To get the size of our image, there is a function called a size. So the open image contains my original image. So open image.size, we can get the size of my image. Just run the cell. We can find that the size of our image is 500 into 500. Now I'm going to apply some filters on my original image. To apply the filters, we are going to use a module named as a ImageFilter, which is available in Pil library. So there are more than 10 filters like a blur filter, a find edges filter, detail filter, smooth filter, and there are many filters you can try. Now I'm going to apply a blur filter. How I can apply? By using the filter function, and I'm passing an argument. As I said that I am applying a blur filter, so ImageFilter.blur. Just run this cell, we can get the blur filtered image. See, we can observe that the image is blur. Now I will try the find edges filter. In this way, we can apply the filters. Isn't it a bit crazy and easy? In this manner, we can use a Pil library for converting a color image to black and white and for applying filters and to check the size of image and so on. For our craziest programming tricks, subscribe our channel Play with Coding. See you in the next video guys. Thank you.